The dating game has changed dramatically, yet one truth remains constant. Nobody wants to feel like they're being pursued too aggressively. If you're tired of feeling like you're always the one doing the chasing in relationships, it's time to flip the script and understand why making women chase you is not only possible, but often more effective than traditional pursuit. Let's get real about attraction and what actually makes people want to invest in getting to know someone. The old saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder, isn't just a cliche. It's rooted in human psychology. When you're constantly available and pursuing someone, you're actually diminishing your perceived value in their eyes. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how people seem to want something more when it feels just slightly out of reach? The key to making women interested isn't about playing hard to get or using manipulation tactics. It's about becoming genuinely attractive through self-development and understanding social dynamics. The first step is to stop putting women on pedestals. When you treat someone like they're above you, you're automatically positioning yourself as lower value. Instead, focus on building a life that's so engaging and fulfilling that others naturally want to be part of it. Self-confidence is magnetic, but it needs to come from a place of authenticity. This means investing in yourself, your career, your health, your hobbies, and your social connections. When you're passionate about your life and genuinely excited about your pursuits, that energy becomes contagious. People, including women, will notice and want to know more about what makes you tick. Creating mystery and intrigue isn't about being deceptive. It's about having a life that's interesting enough that people want to discover more. Share your stories and experiences naturally, but don't feel the need to reveal everything at once. Let people earn the right to know more about you through genuine connection and interest. Social proof plays a massive role in attraction. When others see that you have a vibrant social life and that other people value your company, it naturally increases your attractiveness. This doesn't mean you need to be the life of every party. It means having genuine friendships and connections that show you're a well-rounded person capable of maintaining healthy relationships. One of the biggest mistakes people make in dating is being too available. When you're always free, always responding instantly to messages, and always willing to drop everything for someone you're interested in, you're communicating that you don't have much going on in your life. Instead, maintain a healthy balance of availability and independence. This isn't about playing games. It's about having genuine commitments and priorities in your life. Understanding the power of reciprocity is crucial. When someone feels like they're putting an effort to get to know you, they're more likely to value the connection. This doesn't mean being distant or cold. It means matching the other person's investment level rather than overwhelming them with attention. When someone feels like they've earned your interest rather than having it handed to them, they're more likely to appreciate and pursue it. Body language and nonverbal communication speak volumes in attraction. Standing tall, maintaining comfortable eye contact, and having relaxed, open body language communicates confidence without saying a word. These subtle cues can make someone want to know more about you without you having to pursue them actively. Let's talk about the power of genuine compliments and validation. When you're not constantly seeking approval or throwing out compliments hoping to get attention, your genuine appreciation becomes more valuable. Save your compliments for moments when you truly mean them, and they'll carry more weight. The concept of scarcity plays into attraction as well. When your time and attention are valuable commodities that aren't freely given to everyone, people naturally want to earn them. This doesn't mean being artificially unavailable. It means having a life rich enough that your time genuinely is precious. Remember, the goal isn't to play games or create artificial scarcity. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and understanding how attraction naturally works. When you focus on building a life you're proud of and maintaining healthy boundaries, you'll find that people, including potential romantic partners, will naturally want to be part of your world. The most powerful form of attraction isn't about what you do, it's about who you are. When you're genuinely content with your life and open to connections without being desperate for them, you create the perfect conditions for others to want to pursue you. This authentic approach to attraction is sustainable and leads to more meaningful connections than any manipulation tactics ever could. By focusing on personal growth, maintaining healthy boundaries, and understanding social dynamics, you create natural attraction that makes others want to invest in getting to know you. This approach not only makes dating more enjoyable, but also leads to more authentic and fulfilling relationships in the long run.